Stop wasting money on SD cards since they always fail on you when you need them the most. You are watching Tajamul Adil. The Z90 Master is officially changing the game with its genius built-in storage system. No more card error messages during emergencies. This is the future of 3-channel dash cam reliability. It's available in just $314.10. To begin, let's focus on the straightforward installation process. So let's jump into it.
DDPAI.
The DDPAI Z90 Master uses Sony Starvis 2 sensor technology. This technology is better than its competitors. It excels in low light conditions. The Z90 Master utilizes its technology to deliver superior image quality, allowing for better visibility and detail in any conditions. This means that whether you are driving through a poorly lit area or capturing footage during toilet hours, the 3-channel dashcam will produce clear and vibrant recording. One of the standout features of the Sony Starvis 2 technology is its ability to excel in low light environments where many competitors struggle. I'm using a CPL filter with a Z90 Master, which helps to reduce reflections and glare from glass, improving overall footage quality. The Z90 Master excels at capturing the clarity of license plate even at high speed, outperforming lead competitors. It also demonstrates impressive performance in low light conditions, ensuring reliable identification in various environments. The Z90 Master is compatible with the Mini 3X, which boasts advanced features such as AI portrait and an infrared interior camera. As the whole package becomes a 3-channel dash camera, this combination enhances the overall functionality and versatility of the devices. The disappointment of missing vital accident footage due to no car detected error can be incredibly frustrating. Rely solely on an SD card for storage is risky and unstable. DDPAI's D-Save 2.0 ensure your footage is always safe. If the micro SD card fails, recording instantly switches to internal storage with 64 GB built-in eMMC storage and support for up to 512 GB micro SD expansion. The Z90 Master gives you all the space you need. The DDPAI Z90 Master is designed to record a 30-second emergency video when the G sensor detects a collision. It's an advanced G sensor that plays a crucial role in ensuring your safety on the road. In the event of a collision, this innovative device automatically activates to capture a 30-second emergency video. Before installing the 4G Cloud box, you must insert the active 4G SIM with the internet package. Then connect the Cloud box to the main dash camera. We already inserted the activated 4G SIM with the internet package into the tray. Connect the Type-C female connector of the 4G Cloud box to the existing power cable from your intelligent hardware kit and complete the process. Receive immediate alerts on your smartphone if a collision, impact, or other emergency event is detected. You can use the DDPAI app to stream live video from your dashcam, front, rear, and interior anytime, anywhere, providing instant peace of mind about your vehicle's surroundings. The Z90 Master operates in continuous parking mode using its advanced AI motion detection to monitor your car around the clock. This advanced dashcam is capable of capturing clear and detailed images of license plate, ensuring that no important details are missed regardless of the lighting conditions. Thanks to its AI-powered motion detection technology, the device is adept at identifying and recording incidents. The G-sensor emergency lock offers a reassuring sense of security by activating automatically in the event of sudden impacts. This advanced feature is designed to detect abrupt changes in motion, ensuring that your device responds promptly to potential accidents. When the G sensor senses a significant jolt, it engages the emergency lock, safeguarding your important data. The Z90 Master offers an exceptional level of smart connectivity and effortless control designed to enhance your user experience. With its advanced technology, this device seamlessly integrates with various smart home systems, allowing you to manage your environment with ease, whether you are adjusting the lighting, temperature, or security systems. The Z90 Master seamlessly incorporates GPS tracking data, enabling it to deliver high accurate overlays of speed and location for each trip recorded. This advanced integration allows you to visualize their journey with remarkable precision, ensuring every detail is captured and displayed in real time. The Z90 Master provides a comprehensive overview that enhances understanding and decision making. With its user-friendly interface, this tool makes it easy to access vital information and is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to optimize their travel experience. The Z90 Master showcased the advanced capabilities of ADS 2.0 designed to enhance the real-world utility for drivers. The Z90 Master offers a unique opportunity to assess the effectiveness of its lane departure and forward collision warning systems. It's essential to consider factors such as the frequency of alerts. The Z90 Master's driver assistance system seamlessly integrates with the heads-up display, allowing you to maintain focus on the road ahead. This innovative feature is particularly beneficial when navigating through traffic. This combination of technology not only promotes safer driving habits but also reduces the need for frequent glance at the dashboard, allowing you to concentrate fully on the journey. Lastly, I want to show you daily driving footages for Z90 Master 3-channel dash camera in the morning, evening and nighttime conditions. The DDPAI Z90 Master is widely regarded as a top-tier flagship 3-channel dash camera with 4K front, 4K rear and 3K interior camera, making it ideal for daily drivers and for maximum security. The long-term financial benefits of avoiding the purchase of SD cards for Z90 Master around 12 to 18 months. The Z90 Master buying price is $314.10 and I'm sharing a 10% discount code here. If you are interested in portable car screen for your car, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.